Good day to all my fellow residents of Barangay NBBS. I am Erickson Jan M. Sabanal, the President of Consumer Cooperative. Today is October 15, 2025, and I started before you, not just as the President of our cooperative, but as your neighbor, your friend, and your partner in building a brighter, stronger community. Here's our official cooperative logo. The mission of the NBBS Consumer Cooperative is simply yet powerful: to provide affordable, high-quality goods and essential service to our members while promoting financial stability, community empowerment, and shared prosperity. We are here to serve you with honesty, transparency, and heart. We envision a future where NBBS family is left behind. A future where our cooperative becomes a pillar of economic strength, a hub for opportunity, and a symbol of unity. We dream of a barangay where every household has access to fair prices, where small businesses thrive, and where cooperation beats competition. Our objectives: to launch our first community store offering basic goods at fair prices. Second one is enroll 100 founding members with the first 6 months. The third one is educate and train our members on cooperative values and benefits. Our long-term objectives: we will expand our service to include livelihood programs, savings and credit service, and partnership with local farmers and suppliers. Builds our own cooperative center right here in NBBS. Create sustainable jobs and reinvest in our own community development. Service and community benefits. So what can you expect from the NBBS Consumer Cooperative? Affordable goods, rice and canned goods, hygiene products, school supplies, all at prices that respect your budget. Who will benefit? Our target member are you, the hardworking mother and the father, the street vendor, tricycle drivers, small business owners, the out-of-school youth and senior citizens, every resident who dreams of a better NBBS.